Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Patience and I'm going to take you through my application. It's called Pluto Pay and it's an online banking app that helps users to make transactions online like pay or receive money and as well as save on their e-wallet. And one significant thing about this app is that users don't actually have to have prior knowledge in terms of banking or finance before they can use this app. So let's get started. The first process is that users would have to go through the onboarding stage where they would be introduced to the app and then have an overview of what they are to be expected. And then after they've gone through the onboarding process, you would have to first sign up if you are new to the app, and you have two alternatives to sign up. Either you can use your Apple account or your Google account, or you can choose to manually enter your details here. And then after you've signed up and then you are already an old user, you can also decide to log in. And then this is the verification process because it's an online banking app and users are actually trusting us with their money, and we would have to ensure that their data or information are protected from online fraud or from phishing activities. So they would have to start their verification and have to answer some few questions, as you can see here. For example, they will have to answer why they are using this app, and then also select their country of residence, and so if the user continues, they will then come to the next screen where they'll have to prove their residency, and then they'll have to confirm that they are actually legally registered in the country. And then if they are done, then you have to also verify. Either you choose their fingerprint or your facial recognition. So if a user prefers to use their fingerprint, they come to this screen. But if they also want to use their facial verification, then they can also use that alternative. If you're done, then you can see the screen where it congratulates you and then gives you full access to the application. Now this is the dashboard. What the dashboard does is that it actually displays your initial activities or an overview of the activities that has transpired within your last time of visiting the app. And on the top here, you can see that you have the shortcuts icons, like you can send request or pay money. These three icons are also included in the banking, but for the easy accessibility for users, I prefer to bring it here so that users can easily go here, can easily perform a task. So if you click on the send for instance, and you continue, it brings you to the next screen where the user has other alternatives to send money to people. You can either send money from your e-wallet, that is the money that you have on this app, or you can use your bank, or you can send money from a QR code that somebody actually sent you. You can just scan and then get paid. So let's try something here. For example, if I choose like the my e-wallet, and then I select like my favorite contact like Angela and continue, it brings me to this page, and then here I can make the changes, like I can change the currency, and then I can also alter the amount that I'm sending and then enter the reason for which I'm sending the money. If I continue, it will bring me to the receipt screen where I can confirm the details of my transaction. If I see that everything is okay, I confirm and the money is sent, and the user will have a notification that you are sending the money to them. And then if you are done, it brings you back to the dashboard where you can actually choose other tags. So for example, one other thing too that you can do with the app is that you can also check your analysis, like you can check your expenditure for the month. Like if you want to stay within budget, you can use this app to actually set the amount that you can spend within a month. So if you check and then maybe you're overspending, then you can cut down your expenditure. So if you are done with this, you can just check and it brings you back to the dashboard. And now let's say that you want to request money from your client. You can click on the request. It brings you to your contact list. You also have the alternative to search new contacts, or you can add new contacts to your contact list. So if I'm, for example, if I'm requesting money from my favorite contact, like from Marcus, for example, If I click on Marcus, I can also change the amount that I'm requesting from someone. And then users have two alternatives to also request for money, because one thing that I want to do is I want to save users the stress or the time of manually entering data, entering informations of people. So for example, if I'm requesting money from somebody and I I click on generate barcode, it will create a barcode where the person that I'm requesting the money from will just scan and I receive the money. Or I can generate a link where the person will just click, all the details already there, and just send, and I receive the money. So let's try that. I want to request money from customer A. So I'll generate the barcode. It gives me this barcode that I will just have to send to the customer. So if I click on the continue, I would actually have to also confirm that all my information is accurate, the amount is accurate, then the person will just have to send my money to me. And if I'm done, then everything is finished. So I want to thank you very much for your time, and then see you some other time.